It's a lovely day in the jingly jangly jungle. Hello, Rara. What are you doing? Are you okay?
Oh, hello. I've lost it.
What have you lost?
My toothbrush. I'm going to Utu's house tonight for a sleepover, but I can't go without my toothbrush. It must be here somewhere.
What does it look like?
It's very long, very blue, and very toothbrushy.
Perhaps you left it somewhere else, Rara.
Yes, that's it. It must be somewhere else. I'll look up here, I'll look down there, I'll look for my lost thing everywhere. Bye!
Good luck, Rara.
Very long, very blue, and very toothbrushy. My toothbrush! Hello, Topsy! Oh, hello, Rara. Phew! You found my toothbrush. This isn't your toothbrush. It's my pencil. Are you sure? Of course. You can't write with a toothbrush. Sorry, Topsy. I've lost my blue toothbrush. You haven't seen it, have you? No, sorry, Rara. But I have lost my big book of stripy patterns. Oh, I'll help you look for it if you like. We'll look up here, we'll look down there. We'll look for our lost things everywhere. Where did you last see your book? I was reading it on my veranda. Then I sat on my chair. Then I went to Rocky Wookieville and came back. Did you take your basket to Rocky Wookieville? Yes. Here it is. Oh, thank you, Rara. I hope you find your toothbrush. So do I. Bye, Topsy. Very long, very blue, and very toothbrushy. My toothbrush! Hello, Huffy. You found my toothbrush. Hello, Rara. This isn't your toothbrush. It's my polishing stick. Are you sure? Yes. This is for polishing doorbells, not brushing teeth. See? Sorry, Huffy. I've lost my toothbrush. You haven't seen it, have you? No, I haven't. Sorry, Rara. But I've lost my bubbly scrubby brush. Oh. I'll help you look for it if you like. We'll look up here, we'll look down there. We'll look for our lost things everywhere. What does your bubbly scrubby brush look like, Huffy? It's short and scrubby and works with bubbles. And when did you last see it? I bubbly scrubbed my train. Then I bubbly scrubbed my lift. And then I started polishing my doorbell with my polishing stick. Oh, bubbles! Here it is! You left it in your bucket. Oh, thank you, Rara. I hope you find your toothbrush. So do I. Bye, Huffy. Very long, very blue, and very toothbrushy. My toothbrush! Hello, Zebby. Ah, you found my toothbrush. Hello, Rara. This isn't your toothbrush. It's my stirring spoon. Are you sure? Yes. Why would I make a cake with your toothbrush? Sorry, Zebby. I've lost my toothbrush. You haven't seen it, have you? No, sorry, Rara. But I've lost my special cake recipe. Oh, well, let me help you look for it. We'll look up here, we'll look down there. We'll look for our lost things everywhere. What does your special cake recipe look like, Zebby? Well, it's written on a white piece of paper. And when did you last see it? I was getting all the ingredients together to make the cake. Did you sit down? Yes. How did you know? Because it's stuck to your bottom. Oh. Thank you for finding my recipe, Rara. I hope you find your toothbrush. So do I. Bye, Zebby.
What's wrong, Rara?
I've helped Topsy to find her book. I've helped Tufty to find his bubbly scrubby brush. And I've helped Zebby find her recipe. But I still haven't found my toothbrush. I'm going to have to tell Utu I can't go to his house for a sleepover tonight. For our sleepover? Sorry, Utu. I can't come. I've lost my toothbrush. I looked up here, I looked down there. I can't find my lost thing anywhere. It must be somewhere. I know, but where? Can we help you look for it? You found our lost things, Rara, and now we want to help you find yours. Really? Thanks, everyone! We'll look up here, we'll look down there. We'll look for your toothbrush everywhere! I'm going to take my cubby buggy. Ouch! What happened, Rara? My pencil. My polishing stick. My spoon. No! It's my toothbrush! I found it! Hooray! Now I remember! I put it in my cubby buggy so I wouldn't forget to take it to Utu's. And now you can go for your sleepover. Why don't you all come? We can have a big party and you can all sleep over. Wait! Don't forget your toothbrushes!
Well done, Rara. Enjoy your sleepover. Bye. See you soon.
Rara, you are